Hi, today we're going to make a constellation drawing in Procreate. To start, you want a blank canvas. We're going to go into the layers menu, tap background color, make that black. And I'm going to go into my brushes, and under luminance, I'm going to get the light brush. And with the light brush, and you don't want it too big, that's probably perfect. And you're going to draw whatever it is that you want your constellation to be. It could be a pizza slice, it could be an ice cream cone, it could be a pencil, like in the example in the beginning. I think I'm gonna go with a ice cream cone for this one. So I'm going to take kind of a peach color for the cone. Which, as you notice, is more of a white when you draw it. We'll make this like a strawberry kind of cone. This is kind of like going to show the constellation of what people imagine it would be. So there's my cone. Now I'm going to go into the luminance brush and I'm going to get flare. And flare, you have to be careful because it can be really big like that, or it can be really small and not noticeable. So we're going to go kind of a little bigger than that, a little smaller than that, kind of like that. And I'm going to get white, and I'm going to pick some points that would make up the constellation. So wherever I think the stars should be, that would make up this constellation. It doesn't have to be every little spot. It's just stars in space where someone might see this constellation. And then I'm going to make it a little smaller, and I'm going to fill the remaining sky with some stars. Now what we're going to do next is fill in the constellation almost like it was someone seeing the picture and what it would look like if it was colored in. So for that, I'm going to get off my light pens and go to calligraphy and get the brush pen. I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm going to drop that opacity down to around 30%. And I'm going to grab the pink or the red that I used for the ice cream, and I'm going to color right in that outline. And we want to see the stars coming through, so it's okay. But what I don't want is kind of to see where it's kind of overlapping the star line there, or the outline there. So I'm going to drag that underneath the actual layer so that the flare really pops through. And then I'm going to get that peach color I used for the cone. I'm just going to color that in. And now you could call this done like this if you want to, or you can put in a galaxy, a rocket ship, asteroids, planets, the sun. I'm going to put a galaxy in, and you can learn how to draw this galaxy in my how to draw a galaxy short in my channel, but I have it ready to go, so I'm going to paste it right in. I'm going to make it smaller, put it off to the side here, and I'm going to drop the opacity on that layer a little bit so it looks like it's further back in space. And I'm going to call this one done. So hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for subscribing and liking, leaving any comments. If you'd like to see a certain tutorial in the future, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.